Jump.
Hey, Daddy, put some music because it's singing opera.
That's not you.
What?
That's you. That's you, Daddy.
Oh.
What do you say? What do you say?
I don't think you can breathe. That scared everybody in the restaurant. Did that scare you too?
That's Joseph. That's Dad. That's you.
Okay. Wait, I'll put you.
Really? That's me.
Quiet down. Quiet. Okay.